All right, guys, I don't make a video for one day, which was yesterday, and Bitcoin shoots above $60,000. I think the last video I made was 48 hours ago, 24 hours ago. Bitcoin is $52,000, and we were kind of pumping up. Theta was like at $1.60. Things were going crazy, and like literally a day later, Bitcoin above $60,000. I saw that Theta above $2. Theta crossed the $2 mark yesterday. We're at 209 right now for Theta. Come on, guys. You got to admit we caught it on this channel. vechain well above 5 cents right now, up 5%. Over 5 cents, and everything's just going crazy. This is mainly, you could say, probably like a Bitcoin goes first, then the altcoins, but a lot of altcoins are also pumping. Cardano pumping back up to 63. Like I said, Theta's up like what, 100% in the last month, maybe even more, just like I said, and vechain up like 100% in the last month. So you also have XRP pumping, XRP almost back up to 59 cents. Everything's looking incredible. Dogecoin almost up to 10 cents. Things are looking great. Guys, this is just that pre-halvening. We're a month before the halvening, so we're getting that pre-halvening pump. Saw some Cardano news. Cardano network witnesses remarkable surge with 4.6 million new wallets. And this kind of goes back to what we've been talking about for the last couple of years with Cardano. You want to be in projects that are at least growing even in the bear market. Well, not only was Cardano growing in the bear market, now that we're going into the bull market, it's going absolutely crazy. So Cardano experiences a surge in wallet creation with a near 90% increase within a day, within one day, indicative of growing adoption. Diverse investor base emerged, showcasing a range of investment sizes and profiles, strengthening Cardano's market position. Long-term holders confident in Cardano's potential for growth underscore the platform's resilience and future prospects. We did the video, I think the last video I made, talking about how institutions are now buying Cardano. It's one of the biggest coins, one of the biggest altcoins that institutions are buying. Man, things are just going exactly as we predicted on this channel. I started this channel, we were in the bear market about a year and a half ago, and this is just, everything's just playing out so perfectly. I'm really excited about everything that's going on. Here's another, like, if you Google Cardano, all you do is get like positive articles right now, whereas last year it was like, Cardano's going to zero, Cardano's over. Here's another one. Cardano adoption explodes. Cardano price ready to reclaim $3.1, all-time highs. Guys, the way things are going right now, we're going to talk about Bitcoin in a second, just how I was not expecting Bitcoin to get to the all-time high of $67,000 before the halving, because I'm a 4-year cycle guy, and historically that doesn't happen. But now that Bitcoin's over $60,000 and we have another month and a half until the halving, it's very possible we get an all-time high for Bitcoin before the halving, which would be absolutely unprecedented. Like, this is absolutely unprecedented, which is kind of why I've been talking about for the last 6 months, right? Not the last 6 months, the last 2 months, that everything's going faster than usual right now with cryptocurrency, which is why we have to be in the back of our mind like, okay, we're pumping a lot faster, we're ahead of time, but does that mean we're going to go into the bear market faster? I mean, this is uncharted territory right now, guys, and it's really exciting. If you're like me, you've been in cryptocurrency since 2017, if you're just getting in last year, what we're seeing right now, we've never seen before. So Cardano adoption explodes. Cardano price ready to reclaim 3.1. And yeah, guys, the way things are going right now, Cardano could pump right now from 63 cents to $3 in a couple weeks. I mean, I'm not saying it is. I'm just telling you it could. I mean, look how fast Theta pumped. Cardano could be on a path to breaking new price levels in the coming weeks. As indicated by on-chain data and adopting growth, the creation of new wallets on the Cardano blockchain has seen multiple spikes on various days since the beginning of February, showing a potential influx of new money into Cardano. According to on-chain data, new addresses on the Cardano network spiked 89% between February 22nd and February. What does that mean? Between February 22nd and from the beginning of February. Similarly, this metric witnessed a 248% surge earlier in the month between February 1st and February 2. Point is, guys, I mean, I love all the positive articles for one. I mean, guys, when I started making YouTube videos on crypto, we were going into the heat of a bear market. It was hard for me to find positive articles, but you're seeing that the sentiment has changed, and that's what we want to see. Now, going back to Bitcoin, it's really interesting. The thing with Bitcoin is, as you guys all know, Bitcoin pumps first, and Bitcoin is just pumping so fast and so hard. It really makes me wonder what the heck is going to happen when a lot of these altcoins have to catch up to Bitcoin. So I'm expecting crazy volatility over the next couple months, and I'm expecting many altcoins to double, triple, quadruple, maybe even 5x before the halving. I mean, you just have to follow Bitcoin. So Bitcoin bulls target 69,000 lifetime highs ahead of halving. An expected pre-halving rally is a good spot to realize short-term profits, one market observer. Yeah, if you're a trader right now, I would totally be taking some profits before the halving. Everything's pumping right now. I saw MicroStrategy. We've been talking about MicroStrategy stock on this channel. It closed yesterday at 871. That's when Bitcoin was $57,000. MicroStrategy is probably going to close today at $1,000. The stock market isn't up today. I'm probably selling 20-30% of my MicroStrategy stock if we hit $950, $1,000 today. We've been talking about MicroStrategy since $100 on this channel, $150. And same with Coinbase, although I don't have as much Coinbase. But some of these Bitcoin plays are outperforming even most altcoins. So if you've been in MicroStrategy like me for the last year, it might be time soon to take some off the table, at least some, because things are getting real frothy right now with MicroStrategy and a lot of these Bitcoin-related stocks. Here's Fox Business yesterday. They're talking about $100,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, it's all over the place. This time last year, it's like, will Bitcoin go down to $3,000? Is Bitcoin finished? Is it going to zero? Now all the CNBCs and the Fox Business, they're talking about $100,000 Bitcoin.
And it's on your radar. Bitcoin obviously has taken off. A lot of people are saying that just all the money gushing into these ETFs, there's not enough supply. You've also got the halving and some other things coming up. What's the story here? Are you in Bitcoin? I know it's on your radar.
Yes, Bitcoin is our third largest position, so you're hitting on all the good ones. We are hitting a very big psychological hurdle, that 59,000. Watch that very, very closely, Charles. If we break above that, we believe this thing is going to $100,000 minimum, which is what I stated a couple months back on your show. It's a large position. We will buy if it breaks 59,000.
Wow, I love that. Two things you said I love. Everyone always talks about averaging.
So here we go. This could be another reason we're getting more of a pump right now. This is a big-time market investor right here on a big fund. She says if Bitcoin breaks 59,000, obviously this was taken last night. If Bitcoin breaks 59,000, they're buying more. Well, we're past 50,000 into the $60,000. Now we're 60,413. You're probably seeing right now funds pouring into Bitcoin, man. And like I said, I think that's going to happen for a Coinbase stock today and MicroStrategy. Funds, retail money's pouring in. And remember, the retail really isn't even in crypto yet. So, man, things are going. I mean, not only are things going just as we expected they would go on this channel, they're surpassing what we expected to like kind of a mind-numbing level. And it's just making me like rethink everything, because are we just that bullish this cycle where things are just going early? Or like I said, are we just pumping earlier right now, and by the end of the summer, we're done? We're at $120,000 Bitcoin. Your altcoins are at all-time highs and blow past their all-time highs. Is that the time to get out? It is scary. We're getting to that scary moment, like things are just pumping so hard. But man, look at this. Almost all altcoins up today. And all of our favorite altcoins are up. Finished off with a little bit of Theta. Theta Network leads crypto rally with a 60% price explosion. Theta Network, a platform for decentralized video delivery and edge computing, has seen a spike, skyrocketing 60% in 24 hours, guys. That is why I've been begging you guys to buy Theta at 50 cents and 70 cents all year. I've been begging you guys. Just like I've been begging you guys to buy Cardano. Yeah, Cardano hasn't done exactly what Theta's done yet, but Cardano is going to blow past $1 very soon. It could happen this week or next week. Anyway, this surge has propelled Theta to become a top gainer across the entire spectrum of the top 100 cryptocurrencies. The rally can be attributed to a confluence of factors, notably the anticipation surrounding the upcoming launch of the Theta Edge Cloud. In the next quarter, we talked about the Theta Edge Cloud a couple months ago, telling you that was something that was going to release in early 2024. A broader crypto market uplift left by Bitcoin. Yeah, sure, Bitcoin's helping as well. Edge Cloud launch sparks growth catalyst. At the heart of the Theta network's bullish trajectory is the Theta Edge Cloud project, an ambitious endeavor to establish a global peer-to-peer cloud computing network. This initiative is poised to harness the power of user devices to scale blockchain applications. I'm more bullish on ever on Theta. You know, I was going on my comments on somebody this morning, like he's like, oh, we're going to get a $40 Theta. And I was saying, well, maybe a $20 Theta, 25 is the high. But guys, I mean, Theta could easily go to $50. I mean, I'm kind of like burnt from like previous cycles where I feel like once we get to a certain level above the last all-time high, I want to get out because I don't want to be that dumb mother effer holding back into the bear market. But if Theta hits $50, I won't be surprised at all. It just has so much good stuff going for it. Here's the tweet. The Theta Edge Cloud Phase 1 is coming in Q2. Check out the preview blog on how the Theta Edge Cloud is ushering. So that's some big news. We also talked about the POG partnership with Solana and Theta. I think that also kind of helped as well. All good stuff happening for Theta. Says right here the resistance for Theta is 228. I think we're at like, what, 2 right now or something like that. But these resistances don't mean anything. I remember Theta was at like 25 cents forever last cycle. Then I wake up one day, it's $5. So, I mean, when it comes to TA and resistances, I don't really pay too much attention to it. All I know, guys, is if you're in Theta, you're going to make a shit ton of money. And I'm almost would bet my life on it at this point. All right, one more look at the market. Bitcoin still above $60,000. You would expect a retrace, like maybe 60 back down to 58.5 or something like that. I don't know. I'm not into the prediction game, especially right now before the halving, but I wouldn't be surprised if we get a little pullback, a little healthy pullback, but I don't know, guys. Who knows? I mean, I'm really just flipping a coin at this point because I didn't expect Bitcoin to get to $60,000 this soon. I still think getting above all-time high is going to be difficult because there's a lot of, just mental resistance. But hey, guys, it could happen. I mean, there's no way I thought we were going to get to $60,000 today. So, and a lot of these altcoins are just waiting. They're waiting for Bitcoin to take a little bit of a cool off, just a little bit, just cool off a little bit for a couple of days. Then you're going to see these altcoins going absolutely crazy. Cardano 70 cents. It's happening, guys. 70, 75 cent Cardano. It's the next level. If I had some extra money, I'd probably even buy Cardano right now. Dogecoin, as you can see, Dogecoin's going to be a top meme coin in this bull market. Almost back up to 10 cents. Vechain, we are begging you to buy Vechain at a penny and a half. We're going to 10 cent Vechain very, very soon. Theta, $3, $4, $5 is coming probably in the time of the halving, a little bit after the halving. It's happening, guys. Everything we called on this channel is happening. Our Bitcoin-related stocks, our MicroStrategy stock is going crazy. Coinbase is going crazy. Wow, wow, wow. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later.